Alright, so this is how you're going to demold on the rocks. All you'll need is a butter knife and a towel. That will make your life a little bit easier. But first step is to get the water vessel out of the foam. And sometimes it can freeze to the sides of the foam, so I like to pull up on each side to make sure that it's broken free. And then you can lift up just like that. Now, the next step is to put it in the sink upside down, and you can let it sit there until it releases naturally, or you can just run some warm water over it and that will speed up the process. It should only take 30 seconds or so, depending on how frozen it is. This one I let freeze solid because that's your worst case scenario. If you actually catch it right after it freezes past the tray, it'll be much easier to get off of the block of ice on the bottom. Now, you'll be able to hear it release because the plastic will flex and squeeze the whole ice cube out, just like that. So, now we have a big block of ice with the tray on the top. And the cubes are really easy to demold because you can just slide a butter knife between the block of ice and the tray. But in this case, because they're the spheres, it's a little bit harder, and so it makes it easier if you take the back of a butter knife or something like that and just crack the ice. And sometimes it will come off that easily, sometimes it'll be a little bit harder. If it's a little bit harder to get off, what you can do is you can take the towel, and I like to lay it out on the side, and then you can put the ice block here and use one half of the towel to grip it, and then the other half of the towel to grip the ice tray and to keep the spheres from falling everywhere, and just pull it off. And then what you have is the ice cubes. Now, and the way I like to take these is I just take these and I dump them into a bin in the bottom of my freezer. Simple as that.